Welcome back to Smitty's Encounters. So, part 2 of the buggy. How's that start up? So, last time, we're over there. We're cutting the front of the crash support. Diesel! Crash support off it. Today, hopefully, I'm gonna pull that seat out because it's just sitting in there. And I'm gonna cut it about here, pull this bar out and put a post in. I gotta make a door, hopefully. So, because once I put this bar in here, I won't be able to get any comfy. So I went to Bunnings this morning and got some hinges, and this will just go there, about there. That way when you pull on it, you got a hinge and a door. And it's got another bracket. So there we go, all that's done. It's a bit too windy with all this wind, the breeze is on and off, but you know, I also gonna weld a support in from here down to the bar. I just welded in, that way I can get rid of that other bar. The angle will probably hold the back of the tow bar. Just put some proper rigidity into this. I'll probably also put a bar here somewhere, down into the chassis down there somewhere, but you know, is what it is. Next thing I'm going to do is mark out this door, because I'm going to cut that out so I can put a door in, you know, turn that into a door. That way, you know, fix that seat, make that seat removable. Weld that seat in, put a harness on both seats at least, so you know it's somewhat safe, because you know it is a paddock basher buggy, so you can do stupid stuff in it. Bit of fun, something I can, you know, stick on the trailer, take to a mate's, or take it out west to a mate's got his Pulsar buggy, and he's also got a little Doom buggy out there I think too now. And the missus has finally decided to show her head with the little one. Oh, cutie. Yeah, little miss 2-month-old. Wow. Literally today when I'm filming, she's 2 months today. So it's actually going pretty good. She's a bit of a gem. She doesn't really keep us up too much at night. You just got to fight her to get her to go to sleep.
I've got to fight her.
Loves tickles, very ticklish. Like her mum. But anyway, I'm probably gonna keep screwing around some stuff. So there we go. Tow bar's on. The tree is now supported again. Unless you're towing a ton or two with that, which you really shouldn't be. Tow bar is going to be for taking the trailer back down the back of the property here. Like that way I don't always have to jump in my cruiser or Pam's car. I'm gonna jump in this, annoy the neighbours, because straight pipe, in fact, it's not actually straight pipe. I actually had a squeeze at it under it when I moved it here 2 days ago. It's got loogie glass pack straight through hot dogs, so it's not straight piped, but it's not far off. So, but that's the rear bar on. I just got to flip the hitch in it. Stage 2 is, I don't know if I really need to put much more weight in the back of that. That's getting pretty, I want it to have enough weight to, like, not scare the shit out of yourself. That should be enough. Day 2. Got a little bit of rain last night, but like, well, not even enough to make the seats wet this morning. It was like just enough to get a little bit of rust. Just while the beams on there. So, yesterday, yeah, we got round to putting that on. It should be sturdy enough. I don't know what I'm actually going to do to this thing. I've also switched out to the other GoPros, because that GoPro I was using yesterday was literally my brand new decent condition one, whereas this one's got a heap of splatter on the screen. but it doesn't affect the video. I just don't want to get another GoPro with the crap on it because it's on the actual screen and all that. But we got them in, got her all tied in. Should add a little bit of weight to the back. I don't know. I might add one of them others here just to give the top some reinforcement, but you know, there's not a lot there. That's only thin shit. But I'm gonna cut this door out today and screw around with that. So I'm gonna grab my Sawzall, my brand new Sawzall, and get stuck into that. So I'll see you in a bit. How's that done? Mostly. It's 10:30 in the morning. We've been going at about hour and a half, probably more. As you've seen, time lapse. Door is mostly done. Yeehaw. Nice internal frame. Should be strong enough. I will go through and put some more welds there. You know, a couple welds there, that's probably enough. I'll probably put another weld there. So the only other thing, Brandy's oars are on the ground. The other thing I'm probably going to do is actually cut that off, because it could actually, no, it might actually stop that door rattling. The only other thing I've got to do is put this spring-loaded sod is there, and that will be your latch. I probably will also have a chain on it because I don't actually trust them, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so there we go, that's that one done. And yeah, packed up for the arvo, or for the day. It's a bit windy, breezy, a bit hard to record and film. And it looks like some rain coming over. There's meant to be 60% chance today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Find us on socials. I've still got heaps of merch. Plenty of shirts. I was wearing one the other day, I'm fairly sure. But it's just got Smears Encounters and a mountain there. And on the back is Pam's 60 design, which is pretty damn specky and pretty damn comfy. So hit up if you want some merch. Yeah, if you enjoyed the content, like and subscribe. Weekly videos, Thursday 5 PM every week, unless I have nothing to film. But hopefully we will be done with the buggy soon and organising to either take it to a mate's property, or I'll haul it all the way out west and take it for a send out at a mate's place out west where I used to take the bike. But this camera lens is now bugged and a nice big dot on the screen. So big, so right about it here you can see the birthdays, but should be right. Like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Yeah.